Yo, what's up, fam? Welcome to the Tech Zone. It's your boy, Mehdi Abbas Nathani here, and today we're diving into some lit stuff. The future of Flutter. Flutter's been blowing up in the tech world, and there's so much dope stuff on the horizon. We all know Flutter is a beast right now, but guess what? It's leveling up fast. Each update drops new features and tweaks that make our dev lives way easier and more efficient. In this vid, we're gonna peep the latest Flutter innovations and what's coming next. From boosted performance to fresh widgets, there's a ton to get hyped about. If you're a Gen Z coder or just vibing with cutting-edge tech, stick around. Now's the perfect time to jump on the Flutter train, whether you're a coding wizard or just getting started. Flutter's always getting better, and some sick updates are on the way that'll make dev work faster, smoother, and even more creative. Imagine whipping up stunning, high-performance apps with less hassle. Let's dive into the biggest game changers coming up. From new tools to next-level capabilities, the future of Flutter is looking fire. So, let's jump in and see what's next for this awesome framework. Flutter 3.0. The upcoming versions of Flutter are rumored to bring even better performance optimizations. With faster compile times, more efficient hot reloads, and reduced bundle sizes, Flutter is set to become even more efficient for developers. This means less waiting and more coding, which we all love, right? Web and desktop enhancements. While Flutter already supports web and desktop applications, the upcoming updates are expected to bring more native-like features for these platforms. Whether it's smoother animations on the web or more desktop-friendly UI elements, Flutter's expansion beyond mobile is something to watch out for. AI and machine learning. Integration. Flutter is set to make it easier to integrate AI and machine learning into your apps, providing a seamless experience for developers. With plugins and APIs making AI features more accessible, developers can now effortlessly incorporate advanced functionalities. You can build smarter apps that learn and adapt to user behavior, offering personalized experiences. Imagine creating a Gen Z app that's powered by AI. How cool is that? The possibilities are endless, from predictive text to intelligent recommendations, making your app stand out in the market. New widget sets. Flutter's widget library is already powerful, but new updates are set to bring even more pre-built widgets. This means faster development times and more design possibilities without having to reinvent the wheel. Expect more modern, flexible, and creative components to work with. Graphics and animation overhaul. If you thought Flutter was already good at handling animations and graphics, get ready for a boost. The upcoming versions are focused on improving rendering performance, particularly for highly animated apps and games. This is great news if you're into building interactive, visual-heavy apps. Better internationalization. As mobile apps go global, internationalization is more important than ever. Flutter is adding features to support multi-language apps, making it easier for developers to offer localized content. This is a game changer for those building apps for diverse audiences. And that's what we can expect next in Flutter's future. With these advancements, the framework is set to revolutionize the way we think about app development. These innovations will make app development more dynamic and flexible, allowing developers to create more responsive and engaging applications, opening up new creative possibilities. Imagine the potential for more intuitive user interfaces and seamless user experiences. So, if you're not already exploring Flutter, now's the time to dive in. The community is growing and the resources available are better than ever. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more insights on Flutter's future. Your support helps me bring you the latest updates and tutorials. Until next time, this is Mehdi Abbas Nathani. Keep coding, keep growing. Stay tuned for more exciting content and happy coding. In this chapter, we will explore the potential future advancements in Flutter, including more robust state management solutions, enhanced developer tools, and the integration of augmented reality features. Imagine a world where managing app states becomes even more intuitive, developer tools are smarter and more efficient, and augmented reality becomes a seamless part of your Flutter apps. These advancements could open up a whole new realm of possibilities, making Flutter even more powerful and versatile. Stay tuned as we dive into these exciting possibilities and speculate on how they might shape the future of app development. The journey with Flutter is just beginning, and the future looks incredibly bright. So, whether you are a seasoned developer or just starting out there, there's never been a better time to get involved with Flutter. Keep an eye on the horizon for these groundbreaking updates, and let's continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible together. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more insights on Flutter's future. Your support helps me bring you the latest updates and tutorials. Until next time, this is Mehdi Abbas Nathani. Keep coding, keep growing. Stay tuned for more exciting content and happy coding. As Flutter continues to evolve, we can expect to see more community-driven plugins and packages, making it easier for developers to build complex applications. The power of open-source projects lies in the collective effort of developers worldwide, and Flutter is no exception. With a growing community contributing innovative solutions, the possibilities are endless. Additionally, the Flutter team is likely to focus on improving performance and reducing app size, ensuring a smoother user experience. Imagine apps that not only run faster, but also take up less space on your device. These enhancements could significantly impact user satisfaction and retention, making your Flutter apps stand out in a competitive market. The future of Flutter is bright, with continuous improvements and community contributions paving the way for more efficient, powerful, and user-friendly applications. So, stay engaged, keep experimenting, and contribute to the Flutter community. Together, we can shape the future of app development. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more insights on Flutter's future. Your support helps me bring you the latest updates and tutorials. Until next time, this is Mehdi Abbas Nathani. Keep coding, keep growing, stay tuned for more exciting content and happy coding. In conclusion, the future of Flutter looks incredibly promising. With continuous updates and a growing community, Flutter is set to become the go-to framework for cross-platform development. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on Flutter and other exciting technologies.